How do I create emergency notifications and broadcast school-wide alerts?
What I'm showing here is the main page of Rise Vision. So this is what shows all of your digital signage content, or what we call your presentations. So Rise Vision is a little bit different from other digital signage solutions out there on the market, because we focus on providing you with hundreds of templates that are specifically designed for K through 12 schools, and we release new ones each week. And so these templates integrate with the services that you use regularly, like Google Slides, Google Calendar, Twitter, and more. And this makes it really easy to keep your screens fresh with new content every day. On top of that, we track all of the events that are important to schools and then create content for them. So things like Anti-Bullying Month, Women's History Month, Random Acts of Kindness Day, and more. Even like the least technical people can find it simple to pick up and get started in just a few minutes. We support Windows, Linux, Chrome, interactive flat panel displays like Promethean and Smart and Clear Touch, wireless presentation systems like Airtame and ScreenBeam, Raspberry Pi, and even devices like the Amazon Fire Stick. So we have a number of both proactive and reactive safety messages. For example, we have proactive safety messages that show what to do in a lockdown or emergency weather situation that you can share on your digital signs day to day so that your school is aware of the process. And then we have templates that can take content from an emergency notification system like SingleWire and broadcast that alert to all of your displays in the event of an emergency. So I'll add one of these to my account now. So this is the CAP alert template, and CAP stands for Common Alert Protocol, which is a piece of technology that allows us to take information from SingleWire and broadcast it to all of your displays in under a minute. You don't actually have to change any content on this. They'll take the information from SingleWire and then show it on your display. So I'm going to jump over to our alert settings. You are going to add the presentation that you want to use when an emergency alert happens. So I have the CAP alert flashing presentation added here. And then below that is the distribution. So I'd recommend having this set to show on all displays, but if you only want alerts to show on a handful of your displays, that's possible as well. And there's a default expiry. After 5 minutes, it will stop showing on your displays, but you can set this to be 60 minutes, a minute, whatever works best for your situation. Once you have all of these settings configured, you just click save, and then it's over to the SingleWire side of things to get set up.
So what Shay and I set up here is a specific Informacast message on my side. Like I mentioned, this is pre-configured. So I'm going to activate one of these emergency alerts through my web browser. To illustrate, let's just click on this building evacuation emergency alert that's been pre-configured. I set this up to collect a little bit of information from the person that's activating this thread. This is all customized by you. You get to decide what all of these buttons look like, what they do when they get clicked on, what use cases you want to create. We'll help you through that. We've got some templates, but just know that this is just an example. What's the nature of the threat? So let's just say there's a flash flood going on, and you'll see when I activate this, it's going to be sent over to Shay and pop up on his digital sign back there. So the other thing that you can do at this level is determine exactly where that alert is going to go, which building you want it to play on. I'm going to select building 4. All right, I am hitting send now. That's my mobile device.
The alert pretty quick.
Oh, it's loading. 1 second. Give it a moment.
Always breaks on the demo. There we go.
There we go. Perfect.